नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं नेशन नाउ। मैं हूं आपके साथ श्वेता सिंह। और आपको बता दें कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी अपने 3 दिवसीय अमेरिका दौरा के लिए अमेरिका पहुंच चुके हैं। उनका वहां पर जो भारतीय रह रहे हैं उनका गर्म जोशी के साथ स्वागत किया प्रधानमंत्री का। और इसके साथ ही आपको ये भी बता दें कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति जो बाइडेन के बीच द्विपक्षीय वार्ता भी होनी है। इस दौरे के दौरान वॉशिंगटन हवाई अड्डे के बाहर भारतीय समुदाय के लोगों ने बड़े ही स्वागत किया प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का। आज पीएम मोदी अमेरिकी उपराष्ट्रपति से भी मुलाकात करेंगे। इसके साथ ही आपको बता दें कि औपचारिक तौर पर उनसे बातचीत करेंगे। इसके अलावा पीएम मोदी टॉप अमेरिकी कंपनियों के सीईओ से भी मुलाकात करेंगे।
Washington is where, if Braja can go on this side and just try and show, this is where the Prime Minister stays. This is the Hotel Willard. This is his security detail. And if he can try and show the camera, move the camera around, this is just the rear of the White House in Washington D.C. This is the Capitol building. If Braja can show you. And meters ahead of this, meters before you land here, somewhere around 100 meters odd, there is the Washington D. There is the White House on the Potomac at Washington D.C. So this is where the Prime Minister is staying for now. We just had a briefing at the Hotel Washington where the media corps was being briefed by the top Indian officials, as I said. And day comes to an end here in, as per the Eastern Standard Time in Washington D.C. But very, very quickly, once the Prime Minister gets up, he meets the CEO of some of the most well-known, well-established and I would say working in the pioneering field like solar energy, like defense cooperation and chip manufacturing, which has been a global headache for quite some time now since the COVID pandemic struck.
The security environment, and so you're going to have President Biden and the administration focused on countering Russia, countering China, and India will be a big partner in terms of what to do with the rise of China. So I think that we are looking at increased U.S. attention to these issues.
Mr. Rubin, you know, it's one thing that paying increased attention to the rise of China. But look at the Quad countries. You know, Quad countries have not even been in the past and even today, not even been willing to name China when they talk of an alliance. They're, you know, at great pains to explain to the world that look here, it's not a military alliance, it's not a NATO, it's not a CENTO, it's not a CETO. So in such a scenario, in such a situation, do you think, you know, Quad, which is actually now coming out of a cold storage, you know, it's an idea which has been there for close to 1.5 decades now. So it's coming out of a cold storage, so to say, can actually be effective when it comes to India's national interest? Because remember, China, of course, is a real threat. But this rise of Islamists in Taliban, again, right across our borders, is also going to be not an insignificant threat, even in short term.
Well, there's two issues. CEOs. So firstly, he will meet Prime Minister Morrison, who is the Prime Minister of Australia, and then after that there will be a meeting with Kamala Harris, Vice President of America, and then he will meet Prime Minister of Japan, Prime Minister Suga. So these two nations have been a very important ally of India. As far as Australia's Prime Minister's meeting is concerned, India is going to definitely talk about AUKUS as well, because if there is an alliance of Quad already existing and Australia, UK and US form a different group of AUKUS. However, India says that Australian Prime Minister had personally called Prime Minister Modi and informed about AUKUS. But what India is trying to achieve in Indo-Pacific region just gets a bit diluted if there is AUKUS as well. So I think Prime Minister Narendra Modi will definitely talk about AUKUS and its presence and how Australia can play a very pivotal and important role in Quad and in the region of South Asia and that Indo-Pacific region. The same thing will be discussed with Japan, though Japan has been always standing behind India and is not part of AUKUS, but Japan, as far as technology is concerned, as far as investment is concerned in India, is going to be a very, very key, important player for India. So that will be discussed with Japan when Prime Minister Modi meets. So it will be a bilateral talk between the supreme leaders of these two countries, and Prime Minister Modi will share his concerns, India's concerns, and he will also talk about how post-COVID the world will be needed to get united and fight and grow together and move forward together, and how India can play a very important role in that.